Hello students, welcome to maths lecture. So in the previous lecture we have started our lesson number 12, perimeter and area. Okay, what is a perimeter? Okay, always closed figures have perimeter. Okay, always closed figures have perimeter. So now closed figures means what we have seen, that is square, rectangle, triangle, all these are closed figures. Okay. So perimeter means what we have seen in the last lecture, that is the sum of all the sides of the figure is called as perimeter. The total of all the sides of a figure is called as perimeter. Okay. We have also solved some problem set number 48 in the last lecture. Now today we will be seeing the formula for finding perimeter of rectangle and square. Okay, also we are going to solve our solved examples given on page number 70. Okay, so see, for example, I am drawing this rectangle. Okay, A, B, C, D. Okay, I named this rectangle as rectangle A, B, C, D. Okay. Now, suppose this is 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Okay, the length of rectangle is 5 centimeter and width, that is breadth, is 4 centimeter. Now, usually, what we do for finding perimeter, we add all the sides of the rectangle. Okay. Like for finding perimeter of a rectangle ABCD is equal to side AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Okay, and we add all the sides. Okay, we add length of all the sides of rectangle. But see, we know that the opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. Okay, so here see, side AB is equal to side CD. Similarly, side BC is also equal to side AD. Okay, so if BC is 4 centimeter, then side AD is also 4 centimeter. If side AB is 5 centimeter, then side CD is also 5 centimeter. Okay, understood? Opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Understood? So, there is one formula for finding perimeter of rectangle. Okay. So, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. This is your length, this is your breadth. Okay, so 2 times length, 2 times breadth. Okay, 2 times breadth, 2 times length, means here 2 into 5, plus 2 into 4, 2 5s are 10 plus 2 4s are 8. So 10 plus 8, 18 centimeter. Okay, perimeter of rectangle ABCD is 18 centimeter. Okay, if we'll add all these sides, 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4, you will get the same answer, 9 plus 9, 18 centimeter. Okay, but instead of doing in this way, you have to apply the formula of the perimeter. So the formula of the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. That is 2 times length and 2 times breadth. Okay? 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. Okay? So the formula for perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. Okay? Next. This is a square, okay, with the side 3 centimeters. Now you all know that square is having all the sides of equal length. Okay, square is having all the sides of equal length. So if QR is 3 centimeter, then RS is also 3 centimeter, PS is also 3 centimeter, PQ is also 3 centimeter. Okay. So, if we add all the sides for finding perimeter, if we add all the sides of the square, like 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Sorry. You will get the perimeter as 12 centimeter. Okay. But instead of doing that, there is one formula for finding the perimeter of square. That square is having 4 sides, okay, and all the 4 sides are of equal length. So 4 sides multiplied by length of one side. Okay, one side of a square. 4, that is the number of sides square having, multiplied by the length of one side of a square. So 4, perimeter of a square is 4 multiplied by 3. You will get the answer 12 centimeters. Okay. So the formula for finding perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Similarly, perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into one side of a square. Okay. So you have to learn both these formulas. Now we will move to solved examples given on page number 70. First, the length of a rectangular park is 100 meter while its width is 80 meter. What is its perimeter? Okay, they have given you the length of a rectangular park as 100 meter and breadth as 80 meters. We have to find perimeter. So for finding perimeter of a rectangular park, what is the formula? Perimeter of rectangle, 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. Okay, this is the formula for finding perimeter of a rectangle. So 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Here 2 into length 100 plus 2 into breadth 80. 200 plus 160. 360 meters is the perimeter. Okay? Understood? Okay. Now the next. So therefore the perimeter of a rectangular park is 360 meters. Now the next one, second example. How much wire will be needed to put a triple fence around a square plot with side 30 meter what will be the total cost of the wire at rupees 70 per meter? Okay, what they have given, that see, the side of a square plot is 30 meters. Square plot means we have to first find the perimeter of a square. They have given you the side of a square plot as 30 meters. Okay, so side of a square plot 30 meters. Okay, first we need to find out the perimeter of a square plot. Then what they have asked, that how much wire will be needed to put a triple fence around a square plot with side 30 meter. So we have to find out that how much wire will be needed to put a triple fence, means 3 times fence around a square plot. So first we will find out the perimeter of a square. So perimeter of a square plot is equal to, formula for perimeter of square, 4 into one side of a square. 4 into 30, we will get 120 meter. Okay, so this is a perimeter of square, 120 meter. Okay, but what they have given in the question, that they have to put a triple fence, means a 3-time fence around a square plot. So we have got the answer 120 meter, but they have to put the fence around a wall, sorry, around a square plot 3 times. Means since the fence is to be a triple, means 3 times. So therefore 120, that is the perimeter, into 3. Why 3? Because we have to put it around a square plot as 3 times. So 120 into 3, that is 360 meters. Okay, now they have given you the cost of wire per meter. We have to find out the total cost of wire to put a triple fence around a square plot. So therefore cost of wire per meter, they have given rupees 70. So therefore total cost will be 360 into 70. Okay, we will get the answer 25,200. You can multiply and see it. 360 into 70, 25,200. Okay, first they have given you the side of a square plot 30 meters, and we are required to find out that how much wire will be needed to put a triple fence around a square plot. So first we have to find out the perimeter of a square, that is 4 into one side of a square, 4 into 30, 120. Okay, so since we have to put the fence around a square plot as 3 times, triple means 3 times, so that is why we have multiplied this 120 into 3. So you will get 360 meter. So you will require 360 meters of wire to put a triple fence around a square wall. Then the cost per meter they have given rupees 70. So we have to find out the total cost for putting the triple fence of 360 meters. So 360 meter into 70, you will get the answer 25,200. Okay. So I hope you might have understood the solved examples. So you have to solve these two examples in your book as your homework. We will continue in the next lecture. We will start problem set 49 in the next lecture. Okay, so till that, stay safe, stay healthy and take care. Thank you.